Good morning, Honorable President. Myself, Dr.M.Suresh, Assistant Professor in Computer Science Engineering, Velala College of Engineering and Technology in Dindal in Europe. Our topic is cloud computing. What's your understanding of the cloud computing technology? The first one is definition of cloud computing. Cloud computing is a specialized form of the distributed computing that individuals utilization models are remotely, provisionally scalable and resources. Varies of resources, varies of location, allocated to hardware and software resources. Then visually operated the cloud computing. How to this technology is used for web pattern network and internet architecture, data center technology, visualization technology, web technology, multi-tenant technology, and service technology. These are the cloud enabling the technology. Next one, role and boundaries are cloud provider, the cloud consumer, the cloud service server, the cloud resource administrator, administrative boundary, then first boundary. The cloud, first one, the cloud provider, there are organizations that provide cloud resources. The cloud provider is responsible for making cloud service adaptive. For example, Amazon Web Services, the Google Cloud, these are the cloud provider. These are IT resources that made available to the cloud consumer. Next one, the cloud consumer. Who is the cloud consumer? This organization or human, the user requests for the need of the requisition to the cloud provider. These are the cloud consumer. The user. User is called for the cloud consumer. Next one, cloud service owner. The person's organization or legendary owner of cloud service is called by the cloud service owner. The cloud consumer, they request for the cloud service owner. The cloud resources administrator. The cloud resource administrator is person organization for responsible of the administrating the cloud-based IT resources, including cloud services. So, overall, administration the IT resources the administrator level. The next one, cloud delivery model. Cloud delivery model represents now specific the package of the company's IT resources offered by the cloud provider. These three common cloud delivery models are widely established in the formulation. These are the infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, the software as a service. Infrastructure is based on the overall infrastructure as services, IaaS. Platform only for the platform based storage capacity, service technology is based on PaaS. The software only for the application used of the IT resources, the software as a services. It is specifically the various of storage as a service, database as a service, security as a service, communication as a service, integration as a service, testing as a service, processing as a service. These are the other services provided. But the main three common cloud is PaaS, IaaS, SaaS. Infrastructure as a service is acts mainly delivering on demand of service computing infrastructure. The very standard traditional computer hardware via operating system, network, server is extra. So only difference is operating visually. These are the infrastructure as a service functionality. Based on the user requesting the infrastructure service, so visually packaged into the simplify the running the customized operating systems. So these are the infrastructure as a service, the functioning processing of the IaaS for user, cloud consumer, request for the cloud provider, and eventually the server or the IaaS for the operating system, the storage capacity. These are the product of the virtual server, 32 GB RAM, 4 GB storage, availability of 90%. So these are the IaaS method or example of storage capacity. Next one is platform as a service. The platform delivery model represents as ready to use environment typically under the already development configured the IT resources. The cloud computing, the consumer granted the lower level of control over the PaaS. These are the PaaS example. The cloud consumer requested for the virtual server. The virtual server cloud service content overall system plus DBMS platform, so database management, the slide availability of the 90% audio C overall platform as a service. So the software as a service based on the application software based on only customer requisition. It will be limited administrative control over the SAS implementation. These are the software as a service. There is a picture of cloud consumer, service consumer request for the cloud services. SAS service control only representative based on the applications. These are the SAS. A comparison of cloud delivery model. SAS usage and user related to the configuration access to front-end and front-end user interface. PAS typical level of control granted for the limited administrator, then typically functionalities for availability of consumer, cloud consumer, moderate level of administrator. The IAS was the full administrative level in the control of granted to cloud consumer, then full access to the visualization of infrastructure and IT services up to the possibility. These are the cloud delivery models, comparing of the cloud delivery models. These are the continuous project cloud delivery models. SAS use their configuration cloud services. PAS developer test and develops and manage the cloud computer. The IAS is set up the configuration job, infrastructure and manages software, any product software. These are the comparing the picture level. IAS, PAS, then the SAS. Comparing cloud delivery models. Comparing cloud delivery models, the consumer request for the admin environment and PAS, admin environment SAS only for the cloud services A and B, so application oriented only for the SAS. But the platform is based on the application operating systems, the database storage are involved. So finally, environment and infrastructure management are physically server, the storage of the server, database operating system. These are the functionality for the infrastructure as a service. Deploy model. These are the cloud deploy model representative of specific type of cloud environment, primarily disclosed by the ownership size the accessor. These are 4 common cloud deploy model: public cloud, community cloud, private cloud, then hybrid cloud. The public cloud, overall all the members are the Google, all the members are accessible to the organization, all the members are the get the value, the virtualization all the resources in the public cloud. Next is the community cloud, particularly based on the organization, specific to the organization, the public cloud where infrastructure values is the community cloud. Private cloud, only one organization consumer, they only service of the private cloud. The next one, private cloud and then both are the public cloud, the merge of the hybrid cloud. The only one organization or both are organization but only it's a hybrid cloud. Okay, these are the deployment model of the cloud computing networking type.